Let's now look at how to calculate the cumulative log sum exponential in TensorFlow. First, we'll create a tensor x that is equal to tf.constant, which has the values as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And to perform the cumulative log sum exponential, here's what we want to do is type tf.math.cumulative. So we are spelling out the word cumulative, log sum exponential exp, and input the value of x. And then we can print the output z in here. And so let's see what we get. This is the output. So we got the element wise values for the element wise conversion of. It's not really element wise because we are using these together. Next, what we are going to do is look at this how we can calculate it manually. tf.math.exp x z is equal to tf.math.cumsum z. tf z is equal to tf.math.log of z, and then we print the value for z here, z.numpy, and so what we get in the output should be the same as what we had before, except that this is close to 1, 0.99, and we have the rest of the values. So that's how we can calculate the cumulative log sum exponential for values in a tensor using the TensorFlow math library. If you have any other comments or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.